I welcome all my students in your English online class. Students, in today's class, we are going to continue with chapter 5, Nouns and its Cases. Today is the turn of exercise number 5.3. It is given at page number 23 in your book of Brevia. So let's start it. In this exercise, we have to convert the following expressions into plural. Now, the expressions are given here in their possessive case. We have to convert them into their plural form. So, let's start. At first place, we are having the farmer's crop. The farmer's crop. Here we are seeing that the farmer is a singular noun and we have to convert it into plural one. So, we will write it like this. Farmers crop, farmers crops, you will write it like this, the farmers crop, and in the plural case farmers crops. Next is the workers strike. The workers strike. Here workers, we are talking about a singular worker. Now in order to convert it into plural one, we will write workers strikes. Workers, you will mention here strikes. Next is the students' duties. So student, the word will become into plural one as students. Students' duties. Students' duties. Next is the baby's toys. Now the word will become, B will become capital. Now pay attention that Y will convert it into IES. Baby's apostrophe, baby's toys. Next is the woman's clothes. The woman's clothes, and the plural case will become the women. Now A will convert into E. Women's clothes. You will pronunciate this word as clothes, not clothes. The will be added. Clothes. At number 6 we are having the lion's den. अब लाइन कहाँ रहता है? डन में रहता है ना. शेर जिस गुफा में रहे, we call it den. So you will write it here. Lions, make it plural. Lions apostrophe lions. You will write it here. Dens. Lions, dens. At number 7 we are having the child's delight. So the child will become children. Children's apostrophe S. Children's, you will write the word delight. Children's delight. At number 8, the potter's wheels. Now it's not Harry Potter, it's only Potter. Potters. Now you have converted it into plural possessive case. Potter's wheels. Potter's wheels. I hope class that this exercise is quite clear to you. Now let's move forward for exercise number 5.4. In this exercise, use the possessive case of the nouns in place of the italicized phrases in the sentences given below. So we have to write the possessive case of the given italicized phrases. At first sentence we are having the wages of the workers were not paid. So in order to convert it into possessive case, we will write, here we are seeing that plural form of noun is given. Noun जो है वो plural form में दिया हुआ है. Workers word is written here. So we will mention the workers, the workers' wages were not The workers' wages were not paid. The rest of the words will remain similar. The workers apostrophe only apply because last letter is S. The workers' wages were not paid. Next is we enjoyed a holiday for a month. So we enjoyed a month's holiday. We enjoyed a month's apostrophe S. We enjoyed a month's holiday. हमने एक महीने की छुट्टी इंजॉय की थी. We enjoyed a month's holiday. Okay. In third sentence, the seat meant for the ladies were occupied by men. जो सीट लेडीज के लिए है वो men के द्वारा ऑक्यूपाइड कर ली गई थी. सो यू विल राइट इन पोजेसिव प्लूरल फॉर्म द लेडीज. लास्ट लेटर जो है वो एस से एंड है, सो यू विल ओनली अप्लाई अपॉस्ट्रोफी. द लेडीज सीट्स वर occupied by men. Okay students, you will convert the possessive form like this, the ladies seats. Next is act as per the orders issued by the principal. Act as per the principal's orders. किसके orders के according act करना है? Principal's orders. Act as per the principal's orders. Next is the wisdom of Birbal saved King Akbar several times. Birbal's wisdom. The wisdom of Birbal means Birbal's wisdom saved King Akbar several times. At number 6 we are having you must read the stories written by Rudyard Kipling. Kipling word is not written here. So you will write you must read Rudyard's stories. You must read the stories written by Rudyard. At the place of these words you will write you must read Rudyard's stories. Next is people were impressed by the ideas of the director. People were impressed by the ideas of the director. You will write people were impressed by the whose ideas? Director's ideas. So director's ideas. People were impressed by the director's ideas. Next is the circus cannot put the shows performed by animals. So in possessive form you will write the circus cannot put the animals shows. Now you are talking about not only one animal, you are talking about the plural form of animals. So the animals shows. The circus cannot put the animals shows. Only apostrophe will be added. So this was your exercise number 5.4. I hope class now you are well acquainted with the exercises 5.3 and 5.4. Just keep on practicing to gain more. Thanks for watching the video. Good.